These days we cannot complete a day without hearing the term virtual, from virtual machines, virtual servers, virtualization, and VMware, and many other terms. Virtualization is creating a virtual machines inside your operating system. It's not beside it, it's not on another hard disk, it just sits inside your operating system. We use virtualization for many reasons, and our concern here today is to test Windows 10 before having it on our daily use devices. There is a lot of software that can help us create our virtual machines like VMware and Hyper-V and VirtualBox. In our lecture today we will use the Hyper-V one that comes from Microsoft. Hyper-V comes with Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 as a feature with the Windows. You just need to enable it from the control panel. If you go to the control panel and then go to the uninstall a program and then turn Windows features on or off on the left pane here, you will see Hyper-V here. You need to tick on the Hyper-V and make sure you are ticking the Hyper-V management tool and the platform. As you see, I've already enabled Hyper-V, and then click OK. It will take some time to enable the Hyper-V feature. Once done, you can go and search for the Hyper-V. Click on Hyper-V Manager and you will get this Hyper-V console. You need to right click on Hyper-V Manager here and connect to server and choose local computer to connect it to your local machine. As you see now, I have the Omar Dabbas one. As you see here, I have 4 machines, 3 of them are running right now and sharing my resources from my physical laptop. We will see how to create a virtual machine from scratch. Right click on your computer name here, click new and virtual machine, click next, and then name your machine Windows 10 Hyper-V. Let's name it Windows 10 Hyper-V, click next. It should choose generation 1 for now. At the startup memory, I highly recommend if you go with 1024 as it's the minimum for Windows 10. Click on next. For the connection, if you want your virtual machine to be connected to the internet, you need to create a virtual switch manager from here. I'll show you next how to do it. For now, let's just leave it as not connected and click next. Leave the settings here as it is and click next. And on this page, you need to choose the ISO image that you downloaded in the previous lecture from the Media Creator tool. I downloaded it to my C drive. It's Windows 10.iso. Click next and click finish. Now it will take some time to create our virtual machine. It will be empty. There's nothing inside it. Now if you want to configure a virtual switch to allow your devices to be able to connect to the internet, you need to go to the virtual switch manager as you see and click on create a virtual switch. From here the external one, and then you will need to choose the connection type. In my case, I'm choosing an external network and connecting it with my wireless adapter. Click OK. And if you need to connect our machine with this, right click on the virtual machine and click settings, and then on the network adapters here, just make it connected to the external one here. Click OK. Before starting the virtual machine, I think I need to save some resources because I'm out of memory now. I'll just turn off this one. Let's see if we'll be able to start the Hyper-V machine. Yeah, let's right click and click on connect. Here it will prompt us to install the 64-bit or the 32-bit. I'll go with the 64 one. As you see now, we are having a virtual machine inside our physical one. Anything we change inside this machine will not affect our physical machine at all. Here you need to choose the language settings and click on next, install now. You will be prompted for the product key. You can just click on skip for right now. Click on this tick to accept the license terms and click next. You will need to click on custom. And here we will choose where to install our operating system. We'll create it on the default one and create a virtual hard disk for it. Click on next. It will take some time to complete. We'll be back with Windows 10. We're back with Windows 10. It's asking us again to enter product key. We can just click on do this later as we are doing a testing for Windows 10. We can either customize the settings or just use the express settings. Here it's asking us to create an account, so it looks the Express settings will create a local account, not login with the Microsoft account. I'll just type user for the sake of testing without the password. Here it will take a few minutes to set up your account. They say it won't take long, but it will take up to 10 minutes. As you see, I'm having a Windows 10 virtual machine inside my Windows 8.1 physical laptop. And inside this Windows 10 machine, we can test, we can try, we can play around the operating system the way we want.